Welcome to my video. Today we are talking about Bitcoin surge, unpacking the reasons behind the rally, and we're going to dig into it. We're currently at 47,205 on the 15-minute time frame. Losing a little bit of divergence. Still have good volume. And we're going to dive right into the news. There was a good article in here that I liked today. We're going to go over it of why is Bitcoin price up today. This was about 3 hours ago. Today is January 8th, 2024 at around 4:42. And this article was printed at 12:49 Eastern Standard Time. It was a good article. It touched on everything. The price is up today. It topped over 45. We're at 47 now, so we're up 2,000 since this article was printed. We're seeing a continuation of a positive 4-month trend. Let's look into the reasons why the Bitcoin price is up today, and it's related to the spot ETF. It says we're now past the official SEC submission deadline of 8 a.m. and all issuers aside from the Hashdex have submitted their update S3 in the grayscale case. So unless there's a last minute filing from them today, there are no issues. And we would have to sign into Twitter to read more of that. But that's just the positive momentum saying everyone handed in their paperwork and we should be on the positive up and up. The positive sentiment around Bitcoin led the BTC market cap to surpass Berkshire Hathaway, and it remained the 10th biggest asset by the measure. So I mean, we passed Berkshire Hathaway market cap and we are the 10th biggest asset. So there's a lot of positive things going on right now with Bitcoin and crypto and everything in general. Standard Chartered just put out a note saying that we could see a 50 to 100 billion spot ETF inflows in 2024 and a BTC price of 200,000 by the end of 2025. This is big traditional banks, folks. The world is about to wake up. So this is a lot of news. You see, this is why the price is going up. Like, these big banks are talking, institutions, the retail investors are talking, the final filings are all in. Everyone's trying to get in on the ETF applications. And there's like a fee war. You can see there's a fee war. Who's got the lowest filed fee sits at 0.25%. It looks like it's Grayscale is winning that war as of today. Actually, I'm wrong. Van Eck Bitcoin Trust is holding the lowest. Wow. iShares Bitcoin Trust actually is the lowest fees. Yeah, guys, do your research on fees. Here they are. I mean, this is important. Check out all the fees with the institutions. And actually, Grayscale has the highest fees. So just be careful. Some investors may be awaiting increased liquidity and clarity from the spot ETF approval. So, of course, there's going to be people waiting. So this is saying that Bitcoin, out of the 2.25 billion pushed into crypto, 1.9 was pushed into Bitcoin, which means it's the very dominant asset in crypto. You can see the retail Bitcoin interest increased as long as it's institutional. So both has went up. The institutional and retailers are both interested in Bitcoin. And there are more Bitcoin wallets than ever, making it a higher market cap. So that's a lot of, like, it's the root. Not only are there more Bitcoin wallets than ever before, but because of the consistent month-over-month price growth, BTC's realized market cap increased. The realized cap value on January 8th was $436 billion, which is only 7% shy of its all-time high. So that's a lot of news, guys. A lot of wallets, a lot of price increase, a lot of market cap, big things going on. And to the technicals, that's just the news side. From the technical side, we were aware. All my alerts went off. You guys can see. I was in the middle of a video yesterday, and the alerts were going off. But you guys can see all my alerts were going off. And if you're asking me, if you would ask me what I am doing, what indicator I am setting, what I'm doing is it's called a DY. Do-it-yourself custom strategy builder. So what I do now is I'm on the do-it-yourself custom strategy builder. I'm in the inputs. What I'm doing is I'm setting up my leading indicator to super trend, my EMA filter to 200, my EMA filter to super trend. And then I'm also adding the MACD. You'll have to now, after that, you'll have to bring in the MACD. You'll have to go here because it didn't have it on there. You'll have to type in the MACD to put it on. So you have to type in the MACD, pick it, and you'll now have it on at the bottom. And you'll see all of these indicators here. You'll see your leading indicator, your confirmation indicators, and they'll all be ready to go now. And what I do is I add set an alarm. It's real simple. Now you set a buy alert once per bar. And then you see I have the DYA buy, DYA sell on the 15-minute time frame. So I do that for each. I do a buy alert and I do a sell alert. And I will get alerts when to buy and when to sell. And you get an email, you can get a text message, you can get it on TradingView, you can do it on anything. I highly recommend just getting a strategy, setting the alarms, setting the alerts. And when all the technicals meet, the alarm will go off. Like I was totally aware, and I got every single alert of when to buy and sell on this Bitcoin price. So the news is important, the technicals are important. Set your alarms. Check the volume. Check your divergence. Check your trend lines. If you guys like what I'm sharing, give me a like, follow, subscribe. And we will keep making the videos on Bitcoin, keep you up to date with all the price action. I will give you strategies, try and help you get set up some alarms. I'll lead you guys into some coding that I've been doing. And that's it for today, guys. All right, I'll catch you in the next video.